Here's a 2018 Ford Explorer Sport. Only 44,000 mile, one owner with a clean Carfax in black. Sharp vehicle here, black on black Sport Edition, loaded up with gear. It's got about everything you would need on the inside and a good looking appearance on the outside. You'll notice on the Sport Appearance package, the first thing you see is an all blackout grille. Got the graphite gray lettering and badging all the way around. It does have the LED surrounds around the halogen headlamps with the LED fogs integrated in lower bumper fascia. If you look closer, you can see it does have the 360 park assist with the sensors all the way around and all the safety gear that comes with it. Coming around to the side, another thing the Sport Wheel gives you, or Sport Pack gives you, is this kind of blade spoke, graphite sport wheel. Brand new tires all the way around here. You also can see a nice shiny rotor and thick brake pad. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at All Things Automotive, do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. Find the results of that inspection signed off by the technician that performed it. Glove box of all of our cars. Illuminated Explorer door sill entry guards, ebony leather with offset red stitching. See full power seat on the passenger side as well. Two captain's chairs console with an automatic floor shifter in between. Little bit of synthetic graphite and brushed aluminum break off the otherwise gray on gray interior. Let's go ahead and see, we got the books in there for you. Has the codes. Flip it around to the right side. Just wanted to show you brand new tires all the way around, 12-30 seconds. Also brakes, brand new brakes front and rear. So all new brakes, all new tires. That is typically what you get with the used vehicle here at All Things Automotive. We do not skimp on reconditioning. Not only do you get all new brakes and tires, also got a fresh oil change, Pennsylvania State inspection and filter service. Got a bench here in the second row. Also want to show you, it does have the heated rear seats, the climate control there for the rear passengers, 2 USBs and a 12-volt power supply. So your rear occupants are treated like the front. And of course, big body SUV, you got your third row back there as well. Of course, all the tires match. See, EcoBoost 4-wheel drive, sport badging. Like I say, everything's blacked out. We do have the backup camera. Do have a power liftgate. You can see it does have the hitch. Also, easy fold and tumble, all power here on your fold and tumble. Also do have a power supply back there as well. Simple button will put down the liftgate. Again, just showing you, wheels are in good shape. They're not scraped or scuffed. And it's a very clean interior, and the rips, tears, stains. Smells good, no smoke odor. Previous owner seems to have been a non-smoker. All Fords give you the door, combo door entry. Allows you to leave the car running with the proximity key. If you want to run a quick errand, it does have memory seats, windows and locks, mirrors. Like I say, full power seat on the driver's side as well. Pop in here, foot in the brake, start the truck up. You can see, turn down Imagine Dragons there a little bit. You can see 44,135 original miles. Continuing the tour, you do have another button here for your power liftgate as well as your tow haul button. Does have the fog lights, interior light, interior dim, and your automatic headlamps. Stem to the left, high beams turn signals. Stem to the right, intermittent wiper washers. Control pad for your left screen. Control pad for your right screen. It does have lane departure forward collision radar cruise, so that's the ability to set your distance through your cruise control. And then this is your audio controls and sync Bluetooth. As you can see here, it does have the factory navigation. Gonna hit the home button here, and you also can see AM FM satellite radio, dual climate control with heated steering wheel, which is nice. Not all of them have that. Of course, the ability to pair your phone. Back to the big nav. Got your apps, a lot of different ways to customize your MP3 play sounds and playing ability. Then you got your all your different settings there as well. Heated and cooled seats. I can feel the cool air on it right now. Really cool feature. Also, you got your CD player there and your automatic temperature control for all 3 zones. Down there you can see USB, another power supply, 2 cup holders, got your terrain selector with your downhill descent control. You do have sport mode where you can upshift and downshift with your paddle shifters here. In the console is more power and USB. Other thing this thing has is the full pano roof, glass panels over both rows of seating. Also, it does that's all controlled up here. It does have your universal home link as well, and then illuminated visors, driver and passenger. So it has absolutely everything you could ever want. Also has blind spot, as you can see, so forward collision and your blind spot. Now, I did say at the beginning of the video it is a one owner. Carfax is reporting 3, but that's just you can see the first owner owned it 3 years and 4 months. Owner 2 and 3 owned it a total of 1 month and 8 days. That was just dealers during importation. So this vehicle is a one owner vehicle owned 3 years and 4 months by the original owner. So now that we've cleared that up, let's go ahead and hop out here and we will take a look underneath the hood. Do have a foot pedal there for the emergency brake. You can see we got the 3.5 Eco Boost, clean, quiet, no exhaust leaks, no fluid leaks, all kinds of power, no corrosion on any of the electrical contacts, very well maintained here by the previous owner. So there's the button, allows you to lock and unlock as long as the key fob is present. It is loaded up. All right, guys, so just to recap, we got a one owner vehicle with no accidents, all new brakes and tires all the way around. Last part of making informed buying decisions, Cosmetic Appearance. Just going to walk the car, show you any minor imperfections it may have. Little tiny stone chip up there. Couple minor little chips there. Little tiny chip there. Little smudge on the quarter. Just got a little dirt there, maybe a chip or two. License plate probably hide those couple scratches. We do have a couple little chips there on the side. Probably the worst of the damage up here. 2 little dents there and there. We did touch them up. It's really the only thing noticeable other than a stone chip or 2 that I've come across. It might have just a little bit of bird damage there. Very common. Easy to see once they're all as shiny as this one is, buffed and polished. Looks really, really good in the showroom here. Couple little chips across the front bumper. Nothing out of the ordinary, a little bit of bug damage across the hood too. Pretty good on the front face. A little bit of chipping, a few randoms. But all in all, guys, beautiful car, loaded to the gills, like new alternative. Does still have the remainder of the powertrain warning transferable from Ford to the next owner, so you can buy it with confidence. If you're interested, a few ways of getting a hold of us. Come visit us, 21518 Great Cove Road in McCollumsburg, Pennsylvania. Give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales. And of course, you can shop 24/7 online at www.allthingsautomotive.com. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial. I wish you an excellent day.